Alright, so we're going to lay a block wall. We're going to follow the straight of this wall, but we have the column here. It's going all the way here. So we're going to have to do an offset. We'll go half a metre off, 500. Half a metre off. And we're going to pull the line all the way through and then go half a metre back, and that's the face of the wall. Alright, 500 off. $500, and that's our wall. And our wall is going to go all the way to that column. Get amongst. Let's try a head. Alright, now the walls are loaded. Let's slap it up. We got some light. Alright, so we've ironed all the brickwork. Now we're going to core fill the bastard. Ding ding. Pretty good talk. Alright, the core fill's done. Now we're going to do the rest of this wall.
I'll stick it in, eh?
Alright, so the wall's finished now, and we're just going to join it, and we're going to scaffold it tomorrow and finish it off. Top and tails.